to that story. We have a breaking news coming in. As far as AI 2521 Delhi to Patna, it reported a hard landing at the Patna airport at 6:18 p.m. Today, and the technical issue during the landing, in fact, reported to regulator as well, that is DGCA. But this is very concerning news that is coming in from Patna airport. We're learning that at around 6:18 p.m. Delhi to Patna, AI 2521 reported a hard landing, and there was a technical issue that was reported, and now all these details have been given to DGCA by Air India. Another, in fact, such technical snag has come to the fore as far as Air India is concerned. There was a landing scare, there was a hard landing at the Patna airport is what we are learning. Very concerning, given in the last 2 to 3 months, how many such cases have come to the fore, and especially keeping in mind what happened in June earlier this year when there was a crash as far as Air India is concerned. And now another landing scare that has come to the fore from Patna airport at 6:18 p.m. in the evening, and we're learning that all these details have been given to DGCA, which is the regulator. But once again, we'll in fact try and connect to our reporters as to what this technical issue was which led to this hard landing at the Patna airport, and get more details as to what happened there. But another technical fault aboard Air India took place today, and the flight is AI 2521, and it was Patna bound, Delhi to Patna, and there was a hard landing, and that was in fact done by the pilots at the Patna airport. And the issue that has come to the fore is not clear as of now, but we are learning it was some sort of technical issue that led to this hard landing at the Patna airport. Once again, AI 2521 Delhi to Patna reported this landing scare at 6:18 p.m. in the evening is what we are learning, and several such cases have come to the fore in the last 3 months. Ever since that case has happened in Ahmedabad, many people lost their lives. Nothing has changed in the last 3 months. In fact, time and again, Air India was pulled up by DGCA. But once again, what we are learning is there was a technical snag at the Air India flight at the Patna airport. Let me go across to my colleague Harsha, who's been tracking this story very closely. Harsha, what really happened there as far as this Air India flight is concerned? What was the technical issue that has come to the fore?
So, Akanksha, we've gotten to know that the technical issue was with the tire, and it was a hard landing which was reported at around 6:18 p.m. in the evening when this Delhi to Patna AI 2521 landed at Patna airport, and the pilot told the ATC immediately there's some technical issue while landing, and the landing was very hard, and the ATC and the regulatory body were immediately informed about it. Right now, what we have gotten to know is that Air India, this particular aircraft which landed at Patna airport at AI 2521, has been taken to the isolation bay. It has been AOG, which is aircraft on ground. The next Air India flight from Patna to Delhi will not operate until and unless the tire has been fixed, because the suspected hard landing was very hard, and it was very near to the open field area, and at runway it was a hard landing, which is the primary feature which is telling us that there was some issue with the front tires of the aircraft, and we have gotten to know right now the aircraft is AOG. More details are awaited, as there has been no statement from the Air India which has been shared till now. Only we have gotten to know that regulatory body has been informed about it, and the details of the crew and the pilot in command and the second pilot in command has been shared with the regulatory body. The number of passengers who are flying in the aircraft has also been shared with the regulatory body. More details are awaited, but this aircraft will not fly back from Patna to Delhi until and unless the technical issue is fixed by the maintenance agency at Patna airport.
Absolutely, Harsha. Not the first time that such an incident has come to the fore. In the last few months, we have seen many such cases, including that case where several people lost their life. What has Air India now, in fact, told the reporters, first of all, and then DGCA, which is the regulatory body? What details have they shared with the DGCA?
So, Akanksha, this is right now. Immediately, the information has come out. Only the regulatory body has been shared with the initial information that this entire issue has happened. But apart from that, the statement from Air India has not came out yet. We have also approached Air India Copcom department for an entire detailed statement from Air India, but nothing has been shared as of now, right now, because the flight only landed in the evening, late in the evening at Patna Airport. So more details are awaited. We only know that the aircraft right now is AOG, which is aircraft on ground. It has gone for maintenance and repairing, and until and unless the technical snag in this particular aircraft will not be fixed, it will not be given heads up to go back to Delhi. And also, Kausha, as you rightly mentioned, in this year only we have seen several technical snags in the Air India, and especially after AI 171 crash, continuously the snags and technical issues are being reported from Air India aircraft, and also this after 30% of the aircrafts have been grounded in the entire country by Air India. Then we are witnessing still such snags coming out in the Air India aircraft, which raises serious concerns of the passenger safety. Back to you.
Absolutely. In fact, this is another case that has come to the fore as far as Air India is concerned. We'll try and get more details.